Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a could not complete a request because there is not enough memory RAM in Photoshop. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it and select yes. Now check my video description for this registry path. Just to copy and paste it and press enter. Select the version folder under Photoshop. This version may different for you. On right side, you just need to right click on the blank area and select new and select the word 32-bit value. And now check my video description for this text used in my video. Just to copy the text and right click on the value we created, rename and paste this text and press enter. Double click on the value we created and in value data base set to decimal and you just need to enter the value in MB of your system RAM. For example, in my case, I have 32 GB RAM, so I need to type here 32,000 in value data and click on OK to save changes and just to close off here. If in our case you have 8 GB RAM, then you just need to type 8,000. And now you just need to restart the PC. After restarting the PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2 is just need to update by graphics driver. To do this, go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it, expand the display adapter section and this is my graphics card. As you can see in here, you can able to see my graphics card model name. In my case, I have 5080. And now I just need to check my video description for these three links. For Nvidia, you just need to select first option GeForce, the 50 series. In your case, you just need to select your series model, select your graphics card model, and select your operating system, select your language, and select the find option, and you will get the latest driver, guys. In my case, I have listed over here the latest version March 18 2025. The top over here, March 18. This one is the March 18. This is studio driver. This is game ready driver. You need to download the game ready driver. Select the view option. Select the download option and download it, guys. After getting download and install the driver. For AMD users, you just need to select your graphics. Select the graphics card model over here and select the submit option. And expand the option depends on your system and download the latest version, guys. As you can see, this one is 24/11/26 and this one is 2025 third month 20 date. This is the latest one. Select the download option and download the driver. After getting download done, install it, guys. For Intel users, you just need to download the Intel driver support assistant. Select the download option and download it. After getting download done, open the Intel driver support assistant. It will be come inside this system tray. Click on it and select check for new drivers option. And in here you can able to see all the drivers listed over here. You just need to select the download all option to download it. After getting download done, it will automatically update your driver, guys. After doing it, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.